Let's go across to my colleague Apurva, who's there in Amravati. Apurva, the Deputy Chief Minister just spoke, and in the middle he would switch to English whenever he wanted to send a message which was pan-India, and we saw that he brought up the issue of the Pahalgam terror attack as well and expressed his support for the Prime Minister.
Well, that's right, definitely. Today, with the launch of Amravati 2.0, it's definitely an auspicious day here in Andhra Pradesh. But most importantly, Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister there, Pawan Kalyan, sending out a strong message, a message of support for Prime Minister Modi. In fact, he goes on and talks about the recent terror attacks that had taken place in Pahalgam, and not only that, he had gone on and also stated how India is at a sensitive place right now, where all of us are hurt by the attacks that had taken place. 26 innocent people who had lost their lives in the Pahalgam attacks. And speaking on the same, he thanks Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying even at this juncture, the Prime Minister had been able to allocate some time from his very tight schedule to arrive here in Andhra Pradesh as an NDA partner, to arrive here in Andhra Pradesh for the people of Andhra Pradesh, for the people of Amravati, and make sure that the long-standing promise for the people of Andhra Pradesh is fulfilled today.
Right. Also, Apurva, it seems that there is a special rangoli on the stage that has been made, and it says the same message that Modi ji, we are with you. And this is the Andhra Pradesh government clearly expressing their support for the Prime Minister there.
Well, that's right. In fact, the rangoli that has been drawn intricately, it has been designed just at the dais there. Remember, it's a 5 lakh people from across Andhra Pradesh, people of Amravati, farmers of Amravati, who had been struggling for the last over almost 7 years. Finally, the reality coming true, and the rangoli there is a show of unity from the state of Andhra Pradesh, a message of unity for Prime Minister Modi, which is that Narendra Modi ji, hum aapke saath hai. That's the message that has been carved out in that rangoli that has been intricately designed there, a message of unity that Andhra Pradesh stands with Prime Minister Modi, is in support of Prime Minister Modi, and that's the rangoli that you can see out there as well.
Right. Apurva, we had also seen Prime Minister Modi earlier giving out a message during an event in Bihar, where he had said that the perpetrators will be meted out with an unimaginable punishment. And today again, we see that he's there on another stage, and we see support from the regional leaders over there, the government, the state government, very explicitly expressing support for the central government there. So what is the message that Andhra government itself is sending? Because Pawan Kalyan, the Deputy Minister, also spoke there, and when he spoke in English, sending out the message not just to the people sitting on the dais, but to the country at large.
Well, definitely, because Andhra Pradesh, remember, after the Pahalgam attacks, we also saw 2 victims from our very own state of Andhra Pradesh. And in fact, both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister had gone and met with the families of both of these victims who had lost their lives. In fact, they had spoken with the families who had endured the trauma and the situation there at Pahalgam. And when the only message that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu had stated is that Andhra Pradesh stands strong, India stands strong, and that India will not bow down to these kind of acts of cowardice, these kind of acts of terrorism, and that India will teach a lesson. That's what Mr. Naidu had also stated. On the same lines, today as well, we see Mr. Pawan Kalyan, the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister, and the Jana Sena Party Chief, they're also sending out a strong message saying India will not back down. We will go ahead, and definitely our answers and the tears that have been shed by innocents, the lives that have been lost, that answers will be given back in a strong manner.
So we saw the Deputy Chief Minister saying certain things about Prime Minister Modi. He expressed trust in the fact that he is sure that he will be the right person and he will met out the punishment that is required. And he also mentioned about what kind of a person Prime Minister Modi is, how he has made the entire country his home. So there we see the Deputy Chief Minister showing deep respect for the Prime Minister.
Well, if I must remind you, during the first time after the NDA government had won and Prime Minister Modi had met with all the leaders of the NDA there in Delhi, when he saw the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Pawan Kalyan, there was just one sentence that he said. He said, "Ye Pawan nahi hai, ye Aandhi hai." And that's the kind of respect and repertoire that is there between leaders of Andhra Pradesh, especially between Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and Prime Minister Modi, and that's the respect that you can see reciprocated back by Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan as well. And remember, time and time again, Andhra Pradesh leaders, be it Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu or IT Minister Lokesh, Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, or all the other leaders of the cabinet as well, there have been several requests that had been placed forth for the development of Andhra Pradesh, because remember, over the last decade, we've been struggling to have a capital for the state. There hasn't been one capital. There have been debates about whether the three capital system will come into place or if Amravati will be the capital. And today we're seeing Amravati 2.0 being officially launched, and launched by none other than Prime Minister Modi back at Amravati.